Princeton, New Jersey. We apply grout between the stones. Probably like 15% of the house, the grout was missing. Probably years of they didn't take care of the house, old owners. So we apply grout between the stones. Now it's look complete. Other than that, all the crown molding above the windows, they were like, most of them were like kind of like crooked. They were not level. So we installed all the crown molding on top of the windows and we made them level. We painted the entire shutters in the front of the house. The black shutters, we painted them. We installed them. We reinforced them. They were like completely loose and we reinforced them back to the wall. And so all these shutters are installed and we painted them. All the trims on the top, the dental molding, we painted them. You see the top. All this is a brand new paint, and the grout here, we fixed the grout. Some section here, probably it's very hard to see it in the video, but some section here, all the grout was missing. So we've got here brand new grout. We did some work on the downspout. As you see, it was crooked. We made it like straight. But the shutters, the crown molding above the windows was the main project, and the grout between the stone. It's complete. The next stage, we're going to install on top of the crown molding of the two dormers. It's rotted on the top. We're going to install brand new. The homeowner is here. You see, we are very welcome. They love us here. The top crown molding on top of the two dormers, it's getting rotted there. So we're going to install brand new boards. And then we installed the ring. We painted the frame of the door, and we applied some grout around the stone here, cement grout. The owner moved here probably 6 months ago. It was so many damages, and we fixed. You see the face of the house, but we did lots of work in the back of the house around the pool. We applied some grout. We power washed the house. We painted the back of the house, the deck, the balcony. We did a big renovation here. The homeowner is very happy. Yeah, we just talked to them. They're very, very satisfied. Okay, these 4 shutters fell in one of the storm. We installed them back. These 2 shutters on top, we just reinforced it so it's like stable. Right now it's still firm, and we painted the shutters. This wall, we had like 30% of the wall. We applied new grout between the stone, cement. We applied cement between the stone because it was like completely damaged and the cement came off. You see all this cement, it's unbelievable. Came off. We applied cement around at least 30% of the surface here. The crown molding was completely crooked. We installed them back and we made them left straight with the piece of this metal molding. Sits straight. Beautiful work. The client's very, very satisfied. And we also painted the crown molding. We painted the shutters. The next project is to install the cap on top of this post. We're going to install 3 caps, completely rotten, broken. Years of the last owner, they just didn't take care of the house. It's amazing we are here in Princeton so many years. This is the 3rd homeowner that we are fixing this particular house. It's in a beautiful neighborhood in Princeton, New Jersey. That's what we did. If you can see here, we've got the downspout. The downspout was not connected. All the water just like came from the gutters into the floor. So this downspout, we connected into the gutter. So now it's working. We did a big job in the back of the house. Yeah, that's what we did in this house. Client is very, very satisfied. We're making sure that our clients, all of them, 100% of them are satisfied when we complete the project.